Here we go. Hey everybody, it's AAN Sports Cards coming at you with a personal box break of 2013 KO. We've got GALLOWAY1984, also known as Dustin, going with a full box. Good luck, Dustin. Let's go Fisto. And good luck. No Fisto. I believe Dustin pulled some heat last time with these KOs, so I know he acquired a Ronda Rousey that night, or shortly before it. Good luck. Pack number 1. You've got Marcus Brimage as your 188 parallel. Base. We're looking for Rousey parallels too. And your first autograph is Fabricio Verdum, number to 399. Not a bad autograph to come out of the gate with. Fisto! No Fisto in this box. We've pulled 7 of them. It's getting to the point where it's highly unlikely we're going to pull any more, but I'm not going to say that we won't. We got a redemption coming up. It could be a book. Formesia to 188. Base. And we have a knockout auto base card for Alistair Overeem. So there's your 2 autos. Let's start on this side. Maybe we can get some of these relics out of the way here. What's up, all of them, eh? Just saw you snuck in. Your base is Mike McDonald to 88. Not bad for a base. Your bases are Silva and Velasquez. Oh, damn! Oh, damn! Ronda Rousey, number 275. Smoked another box. Oh, boom! Congrats, Galloway. Congratulations, buddy. 58 of 75. Very nice. Ronda Rousey. Very nice. Nice. Another good box break for Galloway. We've got Brian Stan to 188. You know what I haven't pulled out of KO yet is a Matt card. Base. And you got a Benson Henderson to 188 relic card. Let me just make sure I didn't pass any Rondas. No Rondas. 69's your number. Here we go. Pack number 5. For those of you guys watching this video, if you want personal breaks, join us in our Breakers TV room, Breakers.TV, and Sports Cards. Watson, number to 88. Sorry, got a little confused there for a minute. No Ronda base, and your last auto is going to be Ben Rothwell. Not so bad considering you got the Rousey auto. Not so bad. So 2 autos, not so hot, not so bad. The other one's not so hot. Now let's get you a triple threads. You just saw Rousey. Yes, you did, sir. You saw Rousey indeed. We've been pulling Rousey out of 13 and all the 13 products like crazy. Stipe Miocic to 88. Base. No Ronda. You got a John Jones to 88 and Joe Lozon to 188. still like to pull a 101 Met card. Sometimes. It's the only thing I haven't pulled, I don't think. Oh, no, I did pull. I pulled the Cormier. I believe. Could be wrong on that. Pretty sure I pulled the Cormier. Eric Silva to 188. Base. And you got Jake Ellenberger to 188. And last pack. Good luck. I'm pretty sure, yeah, I did pull the Cormier, didn't I? And I had it graded for the guy. He got a 9 on it. Actually, all those that I've had graded got 9s. I didn't pull them all, but I had 3 graded. All of them got 9s. Oh, nice. You got Jake Ellenberger, Ruby, 8 of 8. Jake Ellenberger, Ruby, 8 of 8. Very nice. Yeah, base. No Ronda base. But you got a Misha Tate to 188. Very nice. For a KO, it's 155. Very nice, Galloway. Very nice. I gotta make you a card. You don't have one in here yet. It's a personal box. We got personals. We could do group breaks, whatever you guys want to do. I've got a ton of products sitting up here. Whatever you guys want to do. I've got enough to do up to a $300 or $400 break. You want a box, Ivan? Okay. I think PCP's up next. PCP, what's your, are you doing the KO? Actually, PCP, just send $2 extra. That should get you shipped. I forgot you already paid for a base and yellow one. You should be alright. Should be alright with $2 for shipping. 150 for just hits and inserts. 155 for the base. It just costs it just for the shipping. I'm not trying to make any more off you. 152. Yeah, you already got base coming. You already paid $5 extra. I'm not going to kill you on it. Just got to pay for the extra weight. That's all. What's up, Big Scotty? Let me turn the music back on while we're getting things sorted out. So whoever's up, if PCP's getting a box, he's up next. If not, then we're moving. 152, yes sir. You're getting a box of KO, Ivan? The tape base? Yeah. Let me see. It's in the first pack, I believe. Yep. There you go. It's going right in your pile. You're going to have to send me 3 cents to add the extra weight. Just kidding, Galloway. Okay. 67 PCP? Alright. Let's see. 65, 66, 67 is probably right on top. No, 64, 67. Here, you guys know I got KO, so I want to show everything I got in here.